morning, everyone. Great seeing you all here. In trucking world, we say trucks make money when the wheels are turning. And with that, I think my presentation is done. Because if those wheels aren't running, you are burning cash. Most of the downtimes that you see on the truck themselves arises from not getting a right truck for an application. So you need to make sure before you even know what price is there, what brands are out there, what are you going to use that truck for? Once you've buttoned that down, then you come and say, I want to acquire a truck. What brands are in this application that I can use? Then now you start having consideration, reputation, the price of a truck. And by the way, if you see on the little line at the bottom there, the pricing, upfront pricing, is really about 10 to 12% of the total cost of owning a truck. A lot of it is on the what I call utilize, using the operations. And this is where downtime sits. Downtime, if it's not managed well, sits in the biggest chunk of the cost of operating a truck. Lastly, it's how the brand that you've chosen supports your business. You need to ensure that whoever you go with has got the heart to care for your own business. In our business, we say we only sell more trucks if your business is growing. If your business is not growing, I can't sell more. So it's in my best interest to ensure that the truck is running at all time for you to make money, because the only time I make money is if you make money. Make sure that you are buying a reliably engineered truck that is durable. And there are brands that have stood the test of time in this sphere. Our trucks come with telematics. Those telematics help you to also manage your downtime, making sure that you have got a maximum uptime, because you can see every single thing that one needs to see: the vehicle condition, mechanical condition, how the driver is driving. Is there excessive idling on the truck? Because excessive idling also costs you a lot of fuel. So we've got experts here, the sales guys who are sitting in the room here and also next door, who have got the skills and ability to advise you on what truck you require for certain application and how do you manage on a daily basis the running of the fleet in terms of the excessive idling, harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and so on and so forth, which you can see from the telematics that the vehicle comes with. And if you do all this and you do them right, you get to this stage where you are printing money in your operations.